Hello, welcome back. This is the mobile application for G6 Landscaping. We are a platform that provides a connection between people and help with their lawn needs. We are located out of Boston, Massachusetts. We also provide snow plowing, weed whacking, and cleanup for fall and spring. So a little bit about our company. Our website is www.g6landscaping.wix.com. If you want to reach us, our phone number is 778-454-5668. And check us out on Twitter or Instagram at G6Landscape. So, with our associates. Every associate is rated between 1 stars and 6 stars by every customer that has them. So, for example, Kirk M. He's a 5-star weed whacker. That means that 99% of the time he's going to get the job done in an effective manner. And for example, we have Philip Z, who's snow removal and plow, as well as Deshaun R, and Steve, and Mike. And they are known as geniuses. So those geniuses first started, they applied. With this mobile app, it makes it very convenient to apply from one's phone if need be. All you need is your contact information, your cell phone number, your email, and your resume. And one of our workers should reach out to you in a timely manner. If you want to become a G6 certified specialist, it's the way to go. Thank you for hearing me out. Have a good night.